and set up tents, chairs, kitchens, anything else that they need to create a barricade. They plan on occupying the area for a few months, all for the sake of grabbing DC's attention and putting Wall Street firms in the spotlight. Now, Anonymous is also on board with this movement.
Greetings. We are Anonymous. On September the 17th, we called for a peaceful protest to occupy Wall Street, and we delivered. We witnessed the streets of New York flood with protesters in the thousands and Twitter feeds explode with Occupy Wall Street hashtags. We have marched with one goal in mind, to be heard. We the people, Anonymous, will no longer stand idly while money and greed corrupt this country. We are united by one, and divided by zero, and this is only the beginning. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Wall Street, you should have expected us.